Hello, this is Mridvika, and today I'm here to teach you a Bolly jazz choreography on one of my favorite songs of Sunidhi Chauhan called Deedar De. It's a really fun, easy choreography, and it has both elements of Bollywood and jazz, hence Bolly jazz. And if you want to check out the choreography, I'm going to link it down below. So, here we go. You're going to start with the right leg behind you, and you're going to take your right leg out and go out, down, melt, head goes to the left, roll. As you take the head to the left, you're going to add your hands and pull up. So try that once again. 5, 6, 7, you go out, down, head, pull up. Let's do that once again. Make sure you're taking your chest. You take your chest out. You're going to add a little bit melt, head roll, take it up. From here, I'm going to shift the weight to the right side and take my right hand behind. As I do that, I'm going to just feel my right hand with the left hand. So from here, I'm going to shift, bring the left leg to passe. I bring it down, right hand comes on top, and left hand takes me to a hip roll. So from here, I go up and let's try all of that once again. 5, 6, 7, you go 1, melt, roll, up, shift the weight, and hip roll. You repeat that. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. This time you're going to change it up. You go hand, hand, shake. So you just repeat that once again. It goes with the music. I'm just going to sing it a little bit. 5, 6, 7. You go ishq, to, ishq, तो अब गले से लगा ले है इश्क तो गले. So left hand, right hand, shake. That's the first part of the choreography. Alright, moving on. At any point, if you want to repeat the choreography, you can just go back or even slow down the video. Let's do that once again and then we add on. 5, 6, 7 है इश्क तो अब गले से लगा ले है इश्क तो गले से लगा ले. From here, melt. Left hand is here, right hand is up. Your left leg flicks up. You're gonna go left, right. You're gonna twist to the left. When I do that, my right leg stays bent and left stays straight. So once again, 6, 7, you go 1, 2, 3, and 4. From here, I'm going to shift my butt. So right was bent, you shift, left goes bent. Okay? Make sure you're really sticking the butt out when you do that. You're going to add hands. You go akh taras gayi. So from here, just through your eyebrow and then you go away. The hands come together like that, like you're pulling something away. Let's repeat that. 6, 7, we go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Akh taras gayi. From here, I'm just going to go swing. And when I swing, I'm going to swing back with my leg. So I was here. I swing both hands to the left and then I swing to the right. Hey, hey. Just keep going. Don't stop that motion. So once again, from here, I go swing. I take it up. Hip goes boom, boom. To the back, to the back. When I do that, I'm just going to go 1 with my hand. Okay? So let's put on the lyrics from this part. 5, 6, 7, you go. एक झलक तो step, step, ka, akh taras gayi, swing, and ek jhalak to. So that comes on ek jhalak to, akh taras gayi. Stepping out with the left leg, ha. Those are the hands. You're gonna hit ka, ka with the chest. 5, 6, 7, and ka, push away. Once again, 5, 6, 7, step out to the left, ka, ka, push, slide to the right. Right hand is in front, left hand is extended out. From here, I'm going to bring the left leg forward. I go whoom, just magic hands. Whoom, push out. So just the left leg is moving. Hey, out, melt, melt. So I'm going to shift the weight. I shift the weight forward. I stay on the right leg, and then I shift the weight back on the left leg. All right, let's join everything from the very top. 5, 6, 7, we go. Hai ishq to, ab gale se laga le. Hai ishq to, gale se laga le. Ek jhalak to, step, step, आँख तरस गई, swing and एक झलक तो आँख तरस गई, एक झलक तो आँख तरस गई. From here, you're gonna open the left leg and you're really gonna go down with your head. Yeah, this one's a power move. She says, "Aasamne." So 5, 6, 7, "Aasamne" or "Tham le." So you're gonna just join the hands together. You go roll and ka, like you're about to like bat. You go ka, ka, and just like you're about to go bat, you're gonna take the swing, but open your hands. Yeah, so that's an underdone pirouette. But if you don't want to take your leg up, you can also keep the legs down on the floor. So once again, from here, "Aasamne और थाम ले तेरी अमानत यार वे." You're just gonna step, step. So even if you're doing it with both legs on the floor, you're gonna step out, out. Deedar de. 2 head rolls to the right. The second one, you elongate it as much as possible. Vroom, vroom. So I'm also adding my hand to that. Right hand ideally. Deedar de. From here, hit, 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 hit. Any kind of hits that you want. That's your improv bit. Yeah? So in the music, there's a tick, 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 something like that. So you want to just feel that. When you listen to the music, you'll understand it. Cool? Let's take it from the top once again. 5, 6, 7, and hai ishq to, गले से लगा ले. है इश्क तो गले से लगा ले. एक झलक तो, step, step, खा, आँख तरस गई. And एक झलक तो आँख तरस गई, एक झलक तो तरस गई. है and थाम ले तेरी अमानत यार वे. And ha, ha. From there, you're gonna lean to your right and you go ha, ha. So very groovy, chill hands. They're going to the right, or roll, roll. This one's rolling outside, this one's rolling inside. Together, hey, hey. This happens behind you. So from here you go 1, 2. I'm just reacting with my body. Let that be natural for you. Hey, hey, go to the left, stanky leg. You're gonna push out from the jambe, step, step, 2 claps with that. Run the jambe inwards, step, step. That one's a little tricky, so we'll do it again. From here, and you're gonna go push, step, step, push, step, step. Take it away, walk forward. And with the right leg, you're gonna go 2 rolls, 1, 2. As you do that, you're gonna just turn to face back. You go ha, ha. So the legs have to be strong enough that you can turn back. Let's do that once again. So tick, 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 tick. You go boom, boom, and ha, ha, and out. Step, step, out, step, step. Take it away, and hey, hey. From there, 2 hip rolls to the right. As you do that, You can just feel yourself. You can take your hands to your hair. Whatever feels nice. You go ka, ka. You're gonna turn over on the left side. Hand is just going shake, shake. Legs are going out in twice. So from here, roll, roll, ka, ka. From here, I'm gonna step onto the left and let the wave go, whoa, hit the shoulder. So from here, go down, let the wave travel, hit the shoulder, right leg steps back, and boom, ka. Just brush off, brush off. Let's take it once again. From the start of the chorus, you went ta, 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 whatever you want. Di, da, di, di, da, di, di, da, ka, ka, boom, ka. Out and out, leg and leg, roll twice and shake it off. Boom, hit and step, brush. From here, so this is my right leg, it's gonna step out, boom, boom. Yeah, and just 2 hip rolls as the hands travel to the left. So from here, you go ka, ka. I'm gonna turn to my right. I step out, hands go away and go away. So once again, from here you went woo, woo, and turn. Lead with the pelvis, hands go away, hands go away. We're almost done. Right leg comes forward, you just feel yourself. So however, whatever feels right, if you want to add hip rolls, if you want to add waves, whatever you want, left hand in front, right hand behind, ka, ka. From here, we're going to go back to the very first move to finish it off. So you go ishq, to, ha, gale se laga le. And that's the end of the choreography. We're going to go through the chorus once again, and then we'll do the whole thing from the very beginning. Let's go. So you went da, de, and ha, ha, ka, ka, di, da, de, di, da, de. Go, ah, ka, ka, and back, and ha, ha, go, roll, and shake, and boom, ka, da, na, na, and roll, step, turn, out, feel, hai, ishq to, ha, gale se laga le. Good job. If there's any confusion, you can always go back in the video and watch the beginning part. You can even slow it down. To see the whole choreography on the song, you're gonna go to the video that I've linked below and watch me do it on the song. Right now, we're gonna do it on pace on My Beautiful Singing. From the very top, let's go. 5, 6, 7, and hai ishq to, ha, gale se laga le. And wo, ka, gale se laga le. Ek jhalak to, step, ka, taras gayi. Hey, and jhalak to, akh taras gayi. To taras gayi, aasamne tham le. And step, roll and feel. Di da da de, and whoa. Di da de, and out step, and a leg, go, roll, shake, boom, cut, and hey, and roll, and out, feel, let's finish, and boom, to, ishq to, gale se laga le.